I told her she wasn't allowed to leave. I literally stopped. Let's get some ice cream.
Good morning, everyone. We're at the West Branch, Ogemaw County Community Airport. And look what we have here. A C-47 warbird here for the fly-in. A beautiful aircraft, and it's in excellent condition. Everything is basically completely original from when it came out of the war. And it's here. They're giving tours. See if I can get a nice view of it here. Give you a view of the airport. Bunch of aircraft here today. Car show. All kinds of cool stuff. You want to talk to us, sir?
For social media?
Well, I'm gonna put no. Okay. Can you, without me putting you on camera, can you tell us? Can you just tell us about the C-47, the Hairless Joe? I saw it land. Are you one part of the crew?
Yeah,
oh,
I'm
cool.
the crew chief.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, built in 1945. Too late to see any action. Got converted into a navigational trainer, and then used as a basically utility airplane until the Air Force donated it to the U of M.
Okay, so it's a U of M plane now? No?
So U of M used it up until '82 for aerial sensor testing.
Okay.
And then after that, they gave it to us. Sold it to us.
And where are you guys out of?
Willow Run.
Willow Run, okay.
Yep.
So it's owned by?
Michigan Flight Museum.
Oh, the Michigan Flight Museum, cool.
Formerly known as Yankee.
Yankee Air Museum. Okay, oh, so the Yankee Air Museum is now the Michigan Flight Museum? Okay, cool. Yeah, lots of people aren't familiar with the history of Willow Run in World War II, but it's amazing what they did there, and it's really cool.
Yeah, it's kind of neat to be able to look across the airfield and still see the final assembly part of the bomber plane.
So now, how long of a flight was it up from?
About an hour.
About an hour? Yeah, I was actually coming down 33. I saw you guys coming north of 33, and then you made a big turn. I'm like, oh my Lord, today must be the day. Well, thanks for talking to us, sir.
Absolutely.
Have a good one.
You too.
So this is Hairless Joe out of Willow Run.
Oh, okay. Well, go dig it if you want.
No, I come back and come up to you before we get them.
Oh, yeah, the business stuff, yeah.
Let's see what it says. The C-47 history.
I'm retired, so I'm just goofing off and working for a few hours a day.
And there you can kind of see up inside there.
Here at the airport, and any questions at all? If you want any books, I got some good wash books out there.
Beautiful aircraft.
Well, we're also weekly livery.
Wow. The Michigan Air Museum, formerly Yankee. Formerly the Yankee Air Museum.
We'll get both of you guys up flying. Yep, thank you guys for coming. Nice to meet you. Give us a call anytime.
Let me back up so I can get the whole thing in the screen. Yes, very cool airplane. Thanks for watching, everyone.